Hey, how you doing? Do you want to start a business? Yeah? What is stopping you? Would you like to start your own business? Do you live in the United Kingdom? Yeah, because I'm telling you right now, anybody can start a business. And I'm going to tell you how to do it. And it's in business, there's a saying, keep it simple, yeah? And it's so simple, right? You would not believe it, yeah? And that's why most people don't start a business. And that's why most people who are in business, they're not going to tell you how to start the business. Now, I don't care if you've got no confidence and if you're shy. I don't care if you've got no education. You don't need a degree from university, right? You don't have to be fucking clever to start a business, because I've done it, yeah, and I'm going to tell you how to do it, right? And make sure you watch this video till the very end, yeah, because I'm going to tell you how anybody in the United Kingdom, right, or America, Canada, New Zealand, Australia, anybody can do this. If you have a driving license, yeah, and you've got no health problems, right, your back is okay, then anybody can do this if you have a driving license, yeah. Make sure you watch this video to the very end, yeah. Right, and I can swear on my mother and father's grave, yeah, anybody can do this, right? If you have a driving license, yeah, if you started tomorrow, right, which is like November the 30th, 2019, you start tomorrow, right, and when you get to 12 months, the business will turn over a minimum of £6,600 a month, and that's guaranteed. And that's me being conservative with my figures, yeah. But I will guarantee it will turn over £6,600 a month, and that will be £79,000 over 12 months, right? And right, it's so simple, and I'll tell you at the very end. And I'm not, listen, I'm telling you, I'm going to cut out all the bullshit, right? I'm not one of these fucking YouTube gurus, right? It's going to tell you how to make £20,000 a month on Amazon selling shit from China. So here we go, right? To start a business, you do not need a university degree or anything, right? But there's certain things that will help you, yeah. Now, number one, right? I was going to say you need to do a business course, right? But if you don't do the business course, you got to go and buy a book. You need to understand how to start a business. You need to understand certain things, yeah. Like you need a business plan, right? That's the easy bit, right? But you need what you call a cash flow forecast, right? You need to forecast into 12 months or even 24 months how much money you're going to project to turnover and profit. Now, to do that, you need to do it on what's called a spreadsheet, yeah, and that's on Excel, yeah. Now, you don't have to go to, you can find these books in the library, yeah. You can find these books in the library, but if you're in the United Kingdom, right, there's two places you can go, and you'll get a lot of free advice. All right, the one is the Chamber of Commerce. Got the Chamber of Commerce, but at this moment I don't know exactly what free courses they're doing, and you're going to have you're going to have Business Gateway. There'll be a Business Gateway in every big town, and every big town in the United Kingdom. And I know for a fact that they will do free courses on spreadsheets, Excel, because you need to understand how the spreadsheets work. You need to understand that so you can do your cash flow forecast. Yeah. Right, and you need to. The other thing you need to know, you need to get a basic idea of accounts. Now, don't worry, right? You don't. I mean, I'm not talking about getting a fucking. You don't need to get a degree in accountancy. You just need to understand. It's what they call 5-line accounts, and anybody can do it, right? Once you know. Once you. I mean, you're better doing a course, but even if you just go and get the books, right? I mean, I got no qualification from school, right? But trust me, anybody can do this, right? So number one is go to the library, get some books, like How to Start a Business, or you find that book, Start a Business for Dummies, right? And read it, yeah? You read that book. And go to the Business Gateway. I mean, the Business Gateway, they may even be able to give you some money, a grant. I'm not talking about a loan. I'm talking about a grant, yeah. But they will give you a lot of advice and a lot of courses for free, yeah. So, like I was saying, you need to know the accountancy, 5-line accounts, yeah. And 5-line accounts and Excel, and then you've got the other things like marketing, demographics, your competitors. You need to know, like, if you're going to open a coffee shop or a chip shop, any business, right, you need to know about your competitors, and because you're going to your area. It's what you call demographics. Now that means something. That's not me being clever. If you don't know what demographics mean, don't worry about it, right? Demographics is like, for example, you have certain people who will go into Aldi or Lidl to buy their food, yeah, and then certain people will go into Marks and Spencer to buy their food. So that's a different groups of people. That's like demographics, yeah. But once you read these books, right, or you go to Business Gateway or the Chamber of Commerce, they will explain all to you. And don't be frightened of going to these places, right, because they are there to help you. And like I said, I'm not bothered. You may have no confidence, right? You could be shy, yeah. You may be stuck in a dead end job. I mean, most people don't really like their job. They're only doing their job to pay the bills, to pay the mortgage. But the business I'm talking about, where after 12 months you're going to turn over £6,600 a month, that's a minimum. And it's as easy as falling off a log. Now, the actual job I've got in mind, I mean, I'm pretty certain that nobody loves doing the job, yeah. But if you can make £80,000 a year after 12 months, 2 years or 3 years, you're buying a house in Mexico. You can go and retire, right? Because I'm going to tell you about the specific business, right? As long as you've got the driving license, right? As long as you've got that driving license and you've got no bad back, etc., anybody can do it. Men, women, it's easy. It's falling off a log. And I will tell you how to do it. Yeah. But you stay tuned for for the next video I'm going to do. And make sure you subscribe to this channel, and also make sure you hit that bell, right? Now, if you're interested in making £6,600 a month, but it's going to take you 12 months to get to that point, right? It's going to take you 12 months to get to that point, but like I say, anybody can do it. Yeah, and I'm going to explain. If you want me to explain in the next videos, I will go through it. If you've got any questions you want to ask, just leave a comment below, yeah? and I will get back to you and get some more videos going.